Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome you all in Pakistan International School Taif Virtual Learning System. Today is our 31st video lecture for grade 7 students, boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Rosie Imran, your mathematics teacher. Today we will study exercise 11.1 and it having three questions which are included: question number 1, question number 2, and question number 6 AB part. So question number 1 and 2 both are totally same, slightly different. So one I'll draw here and the second you will do it by yourself. And question number 6 having AB parts. So AB parts, again the method is same, only the values are changed. So one I'll draw for you and the other you will do it by yourself. Now come to the exercise 11.1. This is geometry, that's why I'll draw it here, and then you can easily understand that how to draw. First is exercise 11.1. Question number 1. Question number 1, you have given divide a line segment of length 6 centimeter into 3 congruent parts. Congruent parts means congruent, you know that, same in measurement, same in shape. Congruent parts means 3 equal parts you have to divide, and the line segment length is given how much? 6 centimeter. So name is not given, so you can use name from your own sides. So question is divide a line segment of length 6 centimeter into 3 congruent, equal in measurement, equal in shape, congruent parts. Now we have to draw this. So length is given how much centimeter? 6 centimeter. So first of all, we draw a line of length 6 centimeter long with the help of ruler. Look, from 0 to 6 centimeter. Look, you can check in your ruler, it will be given centimeter. So from 0 to 6 you draw a line and you give them name, any name you can give them, any alphabet. I am going to use PQ. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter line. And students, you will also write steps of construction side by side, so it will help you to write all the steps, you will not forget it. Okay, so first step is what? First step is draw a line segment. This is steps of construction. First step is, I'll also give a picture of these steps of construction at the end of the lecture, so you can easily note down on your notebooks. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment PQ equal to 6 centimeter. So this is first step of construction. So when you draw and then you write the step of construction, then it will be easy to understand and easy to write the steps of construction. Second step is, you know, this is called protractor. So with the help of protractor, you have to draw, because you are going to divide this PQ into 3 congruent parts. So how can you divide? You follow these steps. The first step is that you draw a line of 6 centimeter. Second step is that at point P and at point Q you draw an acute angle. Acute angle, you know that, less than 90 degree. Acute angle less than 90 degrees. So you can take any acute angle at point P and point Q. I'm going to take the angle of 30 degree. Okay, so at point P you put, look, your protractor, this point, the middle one point, you have to put at point P, at this point. Okay, so when you put it at point P like this, your zero line should be on that line on which you draw. So this is 30 degree, so I'm going to draw 30 degree. Okay, at point P, acute angle, any acute angle you can take. You can take 40 on both sides, but should be same on both sides. Okay, so you have to draw a ray. So give them some name. This ray, give them some name. This is P, so I'm going to give them name X. Okay, now you rotate your notebook or the page on which you are going to draw. So at point Q, in downward direction, you have to draw again acute angle of same degree. So 30 degree I draw first, so here I'm also going to draw 30 degree. So 30 degree, again here you draw the 30 degree, and also give them some name. This ray, this is Q, so I give them name Y. Okay, like this. So this is the second step. So for second step, you have to write, draw an acute angle at point P with the help protractor, Similarly, draw in acute angle. Similarly, draw an acute angle. At point Q. Clear? So this is the second step of construction which we done. Now what you have given? You have given into 3 congruent parts. So how you know that how much you open your compass? Look, total length is how much? 6 centimeter. And how many parts you have given to divide? 3. So what will you do in rough work? This is rough work, okay? So what will you do? 6 you divide by 3. 3 2s are 6. So how much is the answer? 2. So you open your compass how much centimeter? 2 centimeter. You open your compass how much centimeter? 2 centimeter. So how can you open your compass? Look at the ruler. Look. From 0 to 2. Okay. From 0 to 2, you open your compass like this. From 0 to 2 centimeter. Once you open your compass, then don't move it. You hold it, your compass, from this point. From point P, you draw 3 arcs. Okay, because you have given 3 congruent parts. So 3 arcs. This is the first arc. You put your compass on that arc. This is the second arc. And this one is the third arc. The same process you repeat in downward direction. From point Q, 1, 2, and then 3. 3 arc you have to draw because you have given 3 congruent parts. So when you draw these points, you give them some name. For example, I'm going to give them name A. This is A. This is A. This one is point B. This one is point C. Similarly, the same name we will repeat in the downward direction. So that is A, in front of A bar, in front of B, B bar, and this is C bar. So you can give them any name. So I gave them name A, B, C, and here B bar, A bar, and C bar. So after that, you have to write the third step. Third step is draw 3 arcs. Draw 3 arcs of radius. How much radius we took? Of radius 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter each, which cuts array PX at point A, B, and C. So the same step we repeat for the other side. So the fourth step will be similarly draw 3 arcs of same radius as above, means that in the previous step as above, which cuts ray, which one ray? QY. Ray QY at point B bar, A bar, and C bar. Clear? Now after that, what will we do? We are going to divide into 3 congruent parts. So the first part is that we join this point P, the starting at this point at C bar. Look, with the help of ruler, P with C bar. Okay, then A with A bar. That's why I gave them same name. That when we join, it will be easy to pronounce. A with A bar, B with B bar, B with B bar, and C with point Q, the starting point. C with point Q. Now you can see that this PQ is divided into 3 equal parts. Even you can measure it with the help of ruler. The each part will be 2 centimeter. You can check it. You give them name. This is R. This one is S. So we get 3 parts. PR equal to RS equal to SQ. So these are the 3 congruent parts. So step of construction, what will we write? First we join P with C bar, A with A bar, B with B bar, C with Q. Okay, so this step of construction we write. This is the 5th step. So in 5th step we write join A with A bar, B with B bar, C bar with P, and C with Q. So these which cut PQ into, so these by joining this which cut PQ into 3 equal parts, or you can say that congruent parts. So you can write it, the last step, 3 congruent parts are PR congruent to, this is the symbol of congruent. Student, this is the symbol of congruent. PR congruent to RS, RS congruent to SQ. So you get 3 congruent parts. So your question complete. So this is question number 1. In the same way you have to do question number 2. In question number 2, what you have given? In question number 2, you have given divide a line segment of length 7.5 centimeter into 5 congruent parts. So means that you have to draw a line of 7.5 centimeter and then 7.5 you divide by 5. So 7.5 when you divide 7.5 divide by 5, 5 ones are 5, 6 7 2 point, and 5 5 5s are 25. So means that how much you open your compass? 1.5 centimeter you open your compass, and when you draw acute angle like this, you draw arc of radius 1.5 centimeter. 5 arcs you draw at this side and 5 arcs you draw at this side. When you join, you get the 5 congruent parts. So question number 2 is your homework. Clear? I hope you will understand it. If any confusion, you can ask in Zoom meeting class. Now come to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is divide the line segment AB of length 4 centimeter in the ratio 1:2. Here you have given ratio 1:2. So means that in this ratio you have to, approximately drawing is same. Only the difference is that here you have given into 3 congruent parts or 5 congruent parts, but here you have given ratio 1:2. So how can you divide it into this ratio? So I'll explain it here and draw. So inshallah it will help you. B part is that 7.5 centimeter is the length and you divide into 2:3. So one question I'll do for you, and the second part you will try it by yourself. Clear? Now I'm going to start question number 6. Question number 6, exercise 11.1. Question number 6. You have given divide the line segment A part AB. Here name is given, so you will use the same name. You can't use name from your own side. In previous question there is no name mentioned, so you use it from your own side. Here AB is given, AB of length, how much? Length 4 centimeter. In how much ratio? In the ratio 1:2. Okay, so in 1:2 you have to draw it. Okay, so for this, first of all, what will you do? First of all, you draw a line of length how much centimeter? 4 centimeter. Just like previous question, you have to do this. Very easy, not difficult. So from 0, look, from this point 0, you have to draw from 0 to 4 centimeter. Okay, from 0 to 4 centimeter you have to draw. Okay, so you give them the same name which is given. You can't use name from your own side. If you use name from your own side, then it will be considered wrong. So this is AB. So you have to draw a line of length AB 4 centimeter long. Clear? Just like previous question, we will write the steps. I always instruct the students that write the step of construction with your drawing, so you will not forget it. Okay, so in the same way here we are going to start the steps of construction. Then you will not forget it and you can easily write all the steps. So first step of construction is draw a line segment AB equal to 4 centimeter. Clear? Just like previous question, we have to draw acute angle at point A. At point A, we have to draw acute angle. Look, acute angle. Acute angle, you can take any acute angle less than 90 degree, but suitable is 30 degree. I am going to take 30 degree. You can take 40 degree, 50 degree, but I am going to take 30 degree on both sides, so you can take the same angle on both sides. Okay, so here we draw the first. It is just like previous question, only some steps are different. So we draw a ray and we give them name. Some name we give them. I'm going to give them name AP. Okay. And similarly, you have to draw acute angle at point B. You can rotate your notebook like this. You invert your notebook like this and draw angle of 30 degree. Okay, so again you have to draw a ray. You have to draw a ray and give them some name. I'm going to give them name BQ. Okay, this one name. So what will you do? You have to write the step of construction. Step of construction is second step. Draw an acute angle on both sides of AB. On both sides of AB at point A and B. Or the same step you can write it like this. Draw an acute angle at point A and similarly draw an acute angle at point B. You can do it just like the previous question we solved. You can write it also in that way. They draw an acute angle at point A with the help of protractor. Similarly, draw an acute angle at point B with the help of protractor. At point AB, and in bracket you write it with the help of protractor. Clear? When you write it in a single step like this with the help of protractor. Clear? Close bracket. Now, after that what will we do? What we have given? We have given ratio. Ratio is given how much? 1:2. So what will we do? We add them. 1 plus 2. This ratio we add them. This rough work I am going to do it here. Okay, what will we do? 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Is it? That is equal to 3. So the ratio which is given, you have to add that ratio. Just like in question number 6 in B part, you have given ratio 2:3. So what will you do? You add 2 plus 3. You will get 5. Okay, that measurement which you get from this sum of ratio, you will divide the total length on that value. Look, 4 is the total length. This is rough work. 4 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 is not divisible, so we put point and add 0. That is 10. So 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. Again it's not divisible, so you add 0. 3 3s are 9. Again it's not divisible, so it will continue. It will continue. It will not stop. You get 1 point. If you divide the 4 with 3 with the help of calculator, you will get 1.3333. Okay, it will not end. It's reoccurring you will get. So how much length you will take for the radius? You will take 1.3, because when you round up, this 3 is less than 5, so it will not add any number in 3. So 1.3 you will take the radius for the arc. How many arcs we are going to draw? 3 arcs we are going to draw, because the sum of the ratio you have to draw. So the length which we get, that is 1.3. 1.3 you open your compass. After 1 3 points. 1.3 you open your compass. Once you open your compass, you hold your compass from this point. Okay, you hold your compass from this point and don't move your compass once you open. What I did, the ratio which is given, I add them. 1 plus 2, 3 I get. So means that 3 arc I will draw on this line and also on this line. And then 3 divide by the total length. Total length is how much? 4 centimeter. 3 divided by 4, we get 1.3. So I open my compass 1.3 centimeter. And then draw arc of 1.3 centimeter. How many arcs? 3 arcs. Remember this. 2, and then you put your compass sharp side on the arc, and this is the third one. Similarly, the same step we repeat on the other side. Okay, the same step we repeat on other side. So what we write in step of construction? In step of construction, and also I'll give them name. This is C, this one is D, this one is E. This is E bar, D bar and C bar. Clear? So the step of construction will be draw, third step, draw, in bracket you have to write 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Okay, draw 3 arcs. Why I write it in bracket? That you know that from where this 3 we get. Okay, the ratio which is given, you add them, that much arcs you have to draw. So 1 plus 2, 3 arcs of radius. How much? 1.3 centimeter. From where we get? Total length divided by 3. 1.3 centimeter, which cut a ray. Which one ray? AP. A ray AP. This is the symbol of ray. So you will draw it on that. This is line segment. So AP, a ray AP at point. At which point? At point C, D and E. Similarly, the same step. Similarly, draw 3 arcs of same radius as above, of same radius as above, at point same radius as above, which cut a ray of same radius as above, which cut a ray. Which one ray? BQ at point. At which point? At point C bar, D bar and E bar. Clear? Now, what will we do? We have given 1:2. So means that first we join this, we close it, this A with C bar, we close it. Okay. So when we close, after that, what we have given? 1:2. First ratio is which one? 1. So after one arc, look, this one arc we join. So the first arc we join. Okay. Then what you have given? 2. So after 2 arc, 1, 2. Clear? 1, 2. Similarly here, 1, 2. So after 2 arc, we have to join it. Look, we divide this into 1:2. This is 1 and this one is 2. So we divide the line segment into 1:2. So for this, what we write? We join number 4. Number 4, join A, C bar, C, D bar and E, B. So we get the ratio A. We give them name. For example, this is A, this one is A, so we give them name X. So we get a ratio AX ratio XB. So we get a ratio AX and XB. So for this we write the last step, number 5th. Number 5th step will be, this is the number 5th step. 5th step, the line segment AB divide in ratio 1:2. Clear? So that is AX ratio XB is AX, in bracket you can write it, AX ratio XB is equal to 1:2. So your exercise complete. B part you will do it by yourself in the same way How can you do? You have given the length 7.5 centimeter. So you draw a line of length 7.5 centimeter. And you have ratio given 2:3. So in rough work 2 plus 3 you add, you get 5. So 7.5 you divide by 5, you get 1.5. So you open your compass 1.5 and draw arc. How many arcs? 5 arcs, because the sum of ratio is 5. 5 arcs you draw on both sides, and then you have given 2:3. So after 2 arc you join, and then after 3 arcs you join. So you will solve it. So that is exercise 11.1. At the end I'll share the picture of these steps of construction of first question and also this question number 6, that you can easily note down. Now come to the next exercise. Next exercise is exercise 11.2. The orange highlighted is included in your syllabus. Look. Question number 1, construct the equilateral triangle. Students, you know that equilateral triangle are that triangle which having all parts equal in measurement. So the first part is included and fourth part is included. If you can check, both are same. Base 4 centimeter given, here base 3.5 centimeter given. So one I'll draw it here with step of construction, and the second you will do it by yourself. And then question number 3. Question number 3 is construct a triangle LMN whose ratio among the length of its side is 2, 3, 4 and parameter is 10 centimeter. They are saying that its ratio is 2:3:4 and parameter is 10 centimeter. So it's very easy. This question number 3 is just like exercise 11.1. The total line you have to draw 10 centimeter, and then you sum of these ratio and divide it. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So 9 arcs you draw. How much radius? 9 divided by 10. So you get 1.1 something. So 1.1 you open your compass and 9 arcs. Just like previous exercise, you have to draw arcs. Only one last step is different for drawing triangle LMN, that I'll explain. Okay. So if you understand the previous exercise, question number 3 is very easy for you. So now I'm going to draw exercise 11.2, question number 1. Question number 1, exercise 11.2, question number 1. First part I'm going to draw. Here you have given base is equal to 4 centimeter. Clear? And you have to do base is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Same steps, only the measurement is changed, that is 3.5 centimeter. Now look at this page, that how I'll draw it. First of all, equilateral triangle, all sides equal. You know that. Equilateral triangle, all the 3 sides equal in measurement. Isosceles triangle, only 2 sides equal in measurement. Scalene triangle, all 3 sides are different from each other. So here we have to draw base 4 centimeter. Look, base 4 centimeter. From 0 to 4 you have to draw a line. Okay. And give them name from your own side. I'm going to give them name AB. Okay. So steps of construction. The first step is draw a line segment AB equal to 4 centimeter. So we have to draw a line of length 4 centimeter. Clear? Now equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal in measurement. So how much we open our compass? 4 centimeter we open our compass. Look, from 0 to 4 we open our compass like this. Look, from 0 to 4 centimeter. Clear? So 4 centimeter we open our compass. Once we open, don't move your compass and hold your compass from this point. So from point A, we draw arc like this. Clear? Clear? Now from point B, we draw arc like this. So two arcs intersect each other at this point. So we give them name C. Clear? So what we write in step of construction? At point A, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter. Third step, at point B, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter which cut the previous arc at point C, which cut the previous arc at point C. Now with the help of ruler, this point C you put dot, that it will be clearly, you can see the clear point of intersection. So this point C, with the help of ruler, you join with A. This C you join with A, and similarly this C you join it with B. Clear? So we get the required equilateral triangle. All its sides are of 4 centimeter. So next step is join C with A and B. Clear? So fifth last step, ABC is the required equilateral triangle. Is the required equilateral triangle. I hope you will understand it. In the same way, you have to draw the fourth part. Fourth part is 3.5 centimeters. So you draw this AB 3.5 centimeter. Then you open your compass 3.5 centimeter. Put it at point A. Draw arc of 3.5 centimeter. Put it at point B. Draw arc of 3.5 centimeter. And then join that. You will get the equilateral triangle. So at the end, I'll share the picture of this question also, that you can easily write the steps of construction. Now come to the next question. Next question is question number 3. You can see question number 3. Construct a triangle LMN whose ratio among the length of its side is 2:3:4 and parameter is 10 centimeter. So it is just like the previous exercise. First of all, what will we do? This 10 centimeter line we will draw, and then we add this ratio, we get 9. So we draw 9 arcs of how much radius? 10 divided by 9, just like we done in previous question. That much arc. Only the last step is different. I hope you will easily understand when I draw. So what you have given exercise 11.2. Today lecture is little bit lengthy, but you know steps of construction always and drawing always take time. Number 3, you have given length how much? Length is given 10 centimeter. Length is given how much? Length of parameter is given how much? Length is given 10 centimeter and ratio is given 2:3:4, and we have to construct a triangle we have to construct LMN. This triangle we are going to construct. So for this what will we do? First of all, we draw a line of length 10 centimeter. Okay, so 10 centimeter line we are going to draw. At the middle of your notebook you draw it, then you can easily get the drawing. 10 centimeter. Look, from 0 to 10 centimeter we have to draw the line. Name is not given, only the triangle name given, so we are going to use the name from our own side. AB, that is how much? 10 centimeter. So step of construction, in the same way we have to write the step of construction. First step is draw a line segment AB 10 centimeter. Okay, so after that what you have given ratio is, this is rough work. Okay, the rough work I'm going to write it here. 2 plus 3 plus 4, so you know that 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9 we get. 9 arcs we are going to draw, and this total length is 10 centimeter. 10 divided by 9, 9 ones are 9, 1, then put point and 0, again 9 ones are 9, and then you put point and 0, 9 ones are 9, and it will continue, it will not stop. 1.111 you will get. So how much arc radius you will take? 1.1 centimeter. But before going to draw arc, you need to draw the acute angle, just like you done it in previous exercise. Acute angle we have to draw on both sides. Angle of 30 degree I am going to draw. Acute angle. So give them some name to this ray. I'm going to use name AP, and this one is BQ. So what will you write? Draw an acute, because step of construction will be too much in this, so I'll try to reduce the steps. So I'll write the 2-3 steps in a single step. So draw an acute angle at point A upward direction and at point B in downward direction. Okay, clear? After that you have to add these ratio. So what will you do? Draw, you have to write the third step. Draw you have to write it in bracket 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then when you prepare it for exams, you should know that how we get this 9. So 9 arcs of radius 1.1 centimeter which cut array AP then we write it their name. So first of all we have to draw 1.1 centimeter arc on both sides. 1.1 centimeter arc from 0 to 1.1. After 1 small line. Okay, that much you open your compass. From point A you draw 9 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In the same way on the other side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Give them name. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So this is K bar, J bar, I bar, H bar, G bar, F bar, E bar, D bar and C bar. And then you have given 2:3:4. First you close it. Close it after this 2 ratio. So 1, 2 after 2 arc. 1, 2. So after 2 arc you have to join this like this. This and then you have given 3. So 1, 2, 3 at this point. 1, 2, 3 at this point. After 3 arcs. And then you have given 4. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So you join it with B. The step of construction, because there is the length of the lecture is too much, so inshallah at the end I'll share the picture. So this is, we divide it into 2:3 and 4. Now we have to draw the triangle. Triangle name is LMN. So we give them name. This is M and this is N. Okay. So the base is this MN. Okay. So how much we open our compass? From M to A. That much we open our compass. From M to A. That much we open our compass and we put it at point M and draw arc like this. Look. Draw arc like this. How much we open our compass? From M to A. We open our compass and draw arc. And then from point N to B, that much we open our compass and draw arc. Look, from N to B at point N. We get this. Where it intersect, this point, give them name L. And this L you join it with M, and then also join it with N. So you will get LMN, a triangle LMN. So this is the required construction, the step of construction. Inshallah I'll complete it and then share it at the end. So I hope you will understand it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.